The end times are upon us. But chaos is not the only power in this benighted world. All my life, I have heard whispers of a place where righteous gods heed mortal prayers.
You gonna sing that song?
The Citadel of Eternity.
Pubs around here, I know.
It will take several pilgrimages to uncover the Citadel's location. The Chaos Wastes are a wilderness of tangled paths, blighted by the Dark Gods. No map can guide us, but cairns will lead us to the Citadel's unchanging heart. Sigma, Mermidia, Valaya, Tar, and that pagan horror the elf worships.
Lilith.
Whatever. They will hear and grant what aid they are able. Onwards to salvation.
Need life.
Sounds good to me. Look at this time for me.
Nice to see new places.
Oh yes. What could possibly go wrong?
Iepa laguno ongetorri lasto txapelen. Kanalera ongetorri zuzeneko honetan ongetorri Warhammer End Times Cybermindane 2 honetara. Eta normala den moduan jolastuko dugu kaosaren gudaro esteetan. Eta hori gutxi balitz, hemen ditugu pila bat kutsatxo, oraindik ezin ditu dela ireki, gauzatxo asko ditu delako pertsonai ezberdinekin, esaterako kerilanekin, eta dena beteta daukadanez, ezin dut kutsatxo gehiago ireki eta bar. Beraz, nahi dut jokatu hemen irabazteko zenbait mapa gainditu behar direlago, eta mapa horietako baten galtzen baduzu, pikutara zoaz. Beraz, gongo gara aurrera. Eta pur bat desestresatzeko joko horietako bat da. Alik eta urrutien heldu, etxaiak akatu eta ezer gutxiago. Vale, conform itxaron. Kosmetikoak. Piromanterentza. Eta hemen jarriko diogu. Hau eta orain bai hasiko gara partidatxoa jokatzen. Berarekin, ezin badugu Sienarekin, joango gara Victor Salzpilsterekin. Korneagian. Ez dakit, egia esateko berdin zait. Erastonen jaunarekin arazoak ditut zuzenekoak egiteko, txutan OBS joaten zait. Pikutara beraz hori kanalerako kameraz kanpo grabatu beharko dut.
Come to me!
A ver. Zagatik ezin da izan ate.
I confess the glacier
Dut
has a
ezer
kind of
bertzen.
crude
A ver.
beauty.
Think that's a Globadier.
Hemendi joan behar bada. Zagatik ezin da izatera. Ez dut ezer bertzen. A ver. Bugeatu da benetan. Eta orain hemendik ateratzeko. Oso ongi hasi gara partida, bai. Agian hemendik. Osea, a ber, handik izan behar da, esatik ezin da izatera.
Well done. The reward is yours.
Ondo. Bugeatu da. Opa, Bueno, eskerrak hiltzen bagara beste leku batean taparte gaituztela eta bar. Ez dut ulertzen zer gertatu den.
I never did ask you.
Calm down.
Kill him quicker next time, would ya?
Behintzat, orain eurekin elkartuko naiz.
I've been thinking, Dory, which of these four great Kazaki Gronthi is a slayer's dream?
I see little point in
Hortik
claiming.
da.
All are abominations. All are to be abhorred.
Not the answer I'd have given.
Viva Hispania. Bueno, jogatzera etorri gara. Bueno, Lileaz bere gauzatxoak ditu.
Beware the blood tornadoes, lest they flens skin from bone.
Don't falter!
Ammunition!
That's good aim. My turn now.
Ai,
Fire and brimstone. They brought archers. Well, if you're going to
kontzentrazio
have a
modon.
throne, Might as well have an eye-catching one.
That's good. Pure textbook. This is the connect card.
Corner.
Chaos Warriors. What sorcery is this?
Can't afford to waste, don't lecture me, Goddess. You'll be mixed in. The soul is willing, but the
Las
flesh
dudas meses
is
te hago eso,
binding.
Leave a flag bearer close.
Benetan. Vale, ahí estuve.
Dying? No, I will overcome. I will. Did we ever agree what created these chaos wastes?
No, igual se
All
me
the
espatan
trappings of a
aquí.
troll lair.
A ver.
Orgrim's got something for you!
Vale.
Holy justice!
Bizitza zo txarto gaude.
Come on! Drag me up from here! Will the monoliths big, these Zakidome?
Keep on it!
There's ammunition here.
Vale, ben cerdat. Ah, vale. Se s'ha acabat hori eta listo.
Yes.
Don't leave your reward behind.
Found some ammunition.
Can't lie, not feeling great.
Away with you, bleak magic.
Even a dwarf needs tending. What does it here,
Bollocks, you're still not brandy.
Vale, guazen gora. Korne gainera oso gogorra da.
The ritual must be fed. Stand
Vale.
firm within.
Reckon that ritual's going to mess up our ways, too.
See, natural law rebels in this
Vale, orain
place.
hemen borrok egitera.
Holy Sigma! Shield! A banner of blasphemous power! They're weakening! They miss their flag!
Viva Hispania jarri duten jakingo dute Hispania dela Portugal, bueno, Iberiar penintzula.
Vestigo! Monument Soul! We've learned something from me after all!
There's something.
Justo orain agertu behar da hori.
Flag bearer, lurking close by.
Keep it up.
Double the discipline!
A ver.
Taste more Grimsrock!
Guazen gora.
So, if you were an ancestor god, what would you be?
My purpose would be as it is now, a herald to Sigmar's glorious coming.
Lucky break for the world that you're not a god then.
Vale. Sufrimendua.
If you have Pilgrim's coins, this might be a good time to spend them on a boon. Or are you feeling generous enough to buy a miracle for your whole party? You each have your own tally of coins. Spend them as you wish.
Ah, vale, más sigarren nivela. Usted no jartzen solo goita más, Eskan, elite gutxiago, monstruo gehiago... Slanes... Ez dakit zer pentsatu. Baina, bueno, bentsa jartzen zu jokoak zer moduzko... aukerak dituzun bakoitzean. Eske Slanes minaren eta sedukzioaren jainkoa izanez ba oso arraroa da, inoiz ez dakizulako nola esango nuke agian bere edertasunen kontzeptua edo sexuaren kontzeptua oso subjektiboa da.
Sigmar is our shield and our flaming sword. No sense leaving that bomb behind.
You are bound closer than ever. What one feels, all will share.
Never saw it coming. Keep on it.
Don't leave your reward behind.
Sigmar, watch over us in this cursed place.
Assassin! We've slain an assassin!
Horregatik ez dut gustoko... Iepa, Riverrock!
A chaos warrior!
You hear what I hear, good fellows?
Orain dela gutxi irakurri dudala... nola esango nuke... erosi duzula joko bat bikoiztuta dagoena edo azpititulak euskerak dituela. Bueno, ba, eskertzen dizut kuku hori egitera.
I've spotted ammunition.
Badago beste joku bat euskerazko azpititulak dituena, jokoa bere singeleraz da, deitzen dela Submerged, eta da apur bat, bueno, bidaliko dizut trailerra eta bar jakin dezazun apur bat nola funtzionatzen duen. Guazen bera. Gero begiratu dut ia Cereboruzko adean Obra Dinen itzulera.
There's ammunition here.
Tentzia duten jokorietako bat da. Ez da amnesia bat, baina lehenengo pertsonan da. Eta bueno, ezagun batek egin zuen jokoa eta bat, eta konturatzen nintzen azpititulak basituela euskeraz. Euren lehen jokoa izan zen, beraz ez espero gauza handirik.
Look, blessings of Shalia.
Why is the mountain falling apart?
I hope you want to fight. You found a Chaos Warrior.
Gogoratu ere Dota daukagu lor pendiente.
Gas rat! No more poison rat, darlings!
Ammunition here.
These are bleak times, Kobach. My nostrils
Vale, horda bat dator.
take the flame. What fire from it? Feeble fire rat, my righteousness burns the brighter. Receive the judgment of Sigmar!
Massacring his way through the ranks! More, please!
With this, I toast victory.
Ez, laguntzarik orengo ez dugu eskatuko.
Here! That's a storm vermin! Opening up!
Non dago ratin hori?
Kill him quicker next time, will ya?
Hortik ez da. Goiti joan beharko gara. Baina beno.
Listen, fire rat!
Rattling firing!
Bueno.
Fortune lies heavy upon this land.
Taste Morgan's wrath! Hit it in the head, Sienna!
A ver, Contus.
A ritual. Hold your ground and fight.
Foul magic designed to disrupt
Vale, berriro hemen irautera.
Let us settle.
Agur, hiltzaile jauna. Bueno, eso es esatearrean,
What sorcery is this? Take my blessed shot! For the broil!
No, vale, hostia, Gorti. Ah, vale, ni bakit daukat eslan esen gauza hau.
Twice the glory! We should fight together, not alone.
Ja, baina, zuenkin elkartzen banaiz bizitzak entzen dizuet. Eslan esen maldizioaren gatik. Vale.
Do you know the story of how the Chaos Wastes
Espero dut
came to be?
urrengo mapan eslan esen maldizioak entzea. Vale. Ona. Bueno, bizitza gehiago, ez dago txart hori. Euneko gehiago. Eta gainera hortik horrak joateka besterik ez dago, bidez berdinak daude. Behin bat hartuta hemen hartzen baduz joan bat zazu izenean horra. Beraz alde horretatik nahiko lasenago. Greenblood. A ver, gazteluarena izan daiteke hau. Ez que 15 mapa berri dira. Vale, kendu zait Slanesen maldizio hori.
The Chaos Gods will not trouble you on this part of your pilgrimage.
Ammunition here. Bombs for all here.
Hatred fuels my purpose.
Vale,
It
hemen ez
shall
dago
fuel
ezer.
you also.
Goazen aurrera.
To a strike.
Gure Victor
Probably a
Spilsterekin.
slave of port. Bastards.
Gainera hemen, txarto bat zaude, bizidez eta berez dago gordetzeko puntu bat, kontrol zonalderik. Beraz alde horretatik nahiko salduta zaude.
Yeah, I'm being attacked. Right, you know that? Shield rats! Bit slovenly. He's down.
Baina hor da hori nondik dator.
Knocking a bomb. All you've got. Oh, nothing to down, Glory. That's a runner.
I suppose when you look at it right, Sigmar's a sort of ancestor god, isn't he?
Ah, it's Ungi. That's why the Empire flourishes. Body and soul.
Are you certain? Perhaps you dwarves learned the truth from Sigmar.
Nonsense, Grimly. Sigmar even had a beard. See? Woo! Gata!
Another dead gutter runner!
Still there's more.
Don't stop!
Look at that. Hope you like trolls, good fellows. Let's get the rest done, Dory. Listen, Dory. Chaos warriors. Perish me!
Oh, an arena, is it? Come on, in. Stay clear of that troop. The troll is engaged.
You've earned your reward. Don't forget it.
Healing draft in sight!
I drink this from need, not desire.
No, vi ser down.
Hold your ground. Fight, and the way will open.
Ha-ha! You fight like a dwarf, Azumki!
A ver,
Bloody good work, peasants! Good going, Dorrington! Kill them all!
Morgan's got something for you!
Inside! Ah!
This shield will hold firm, I promise you that!
Never did find out what created these chaos wastes.
The first sin, that which doomed the world.
Really? Right, yeah. Tell me more, as they say. More potions.
Double the discipline.
bueno, arma barriak.
Hush! I hear a warp fire thrower.
Bueno, bizite zorengoz ondo nabil eta gainera hemen bukatzen da misioa. Misio hau. Orain nato, segundutxo bat. Listo, dago. 20 bizitza gehiago, ondo. Bale, hori lortzen, desblokatzen duzu eta pasatzen duzu misio hori da lortzen duzuna. Konforme. Uste dut aukera bakarrik dagoela, udela. A ver. Urgle. Ja, badakit azkenengo dela. Orain bizi aleiran zu gabe. Eso. Sente misioa.
Eyes open. Don't let that Blightstormer take us by surprise. Yes.
Zent asko gorrotu. Esango nuke nurge baino gehiago, gainera hemen etxaiak bikoiztu daitezke. Beraz, bueno. Nurgel, bueno, pozoitu zaitezke, zagoakoak, deskomposizioa izan, hemen. Etxaiak bikoizteko aukerak handitu egiten dira.
Doesn't Sigma say don't shoot and walk, Gringy? Quiet, Dory. I hear a chaos spawn. Receive the judgment of Sigma! A warning collection and a search over his pain and fortune. Apparently it also is wicked!
Yeah, Kruber's like a steam tank with Ralph, isn't it?
Hear what I hear, good fellows. Leech.
I drink this from me. Good enough for you, Dory.
We all have a purpose.
Opening up!
ver. A ver, a ver, a ver, a ver, a ver, a ver, a ver. Ja, gai, maizeitu zeta aurkitzen.
Come to me! At once!
A ver. No, hostia daude. A ver. A punto pelota. Niri potrorik ez iguti, ba. Berdinak badira alde ingo dut. ESP, no sé qué es da que zenbat. A ver. Ni asterekin joan nahi dudanez, asterekin joango naiz. Eta ni pertsen horiekin duz jokatuko.
she blows strong, we'll prevail.
Vale, pertsona berriak. Bueno, ni horrelakorik ez dudala behar.
Swamps! Darlings, maybe we should kill those archers?
You want to fight, Dory? Back, please. That recovery means business, Dory. Stay clear of it. Bring the army. Gotcha. Oh, listen.
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
Don't stop! Zad Dora Actor!
Fire and brimstone! They brought archers!
Let's get the rest done, Dory. Siraga! I said! Drag, Dory.
Pasen aurre.
This is the path, Dory.
Minotauro bat.
Hold your ground. Fight,
Ah,
and
vale.
the way will open.
Sí, vamos, vale. Bueno, macho.
I love watching you work, Sharon. A dozen such walks, and we've endless moments.
Bueno, guazen. En caña matera.
I think it's fair to say it caused quite a stir, darlings. Oh!
Just as time kills.
Watch out, Clayton! Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I could prop it up on some sticks if you're not finished patching at it.
Ha! Stealing kills, mocking dwarves. Gruber's becoming quite the villain.
Angor Bowman!
Down the axe. This is the path.
Well, we're back at the river. That's good news.
Through here!
Now that's a Glober deer. Rattling gun, heads down or back.
Benetan. Justo sendatzen naiz eta hor bizitza galtzen dut. Vale, perfecto. Ja, bizitza erde baino gehiago. Sendatu berritan eta justo hori bertatzen da.
Potion on my position. Guard me a moment.
Vale, mapa hau gogoratzen dut. Eltzen da momentu bat ihes egin behar dugula, etxaiak gehiago direlako. Gero, bueno, lehen ikusi duzuen moduan gelditzen naiz pentsatzen, zentzuk dira okerrakoak. Giriak edo, bueno, gazteleraz mintzo direna. A ber, ez guztiak, jende normala ere badago. Gainera mapa hori ez dudala lehenago jokatu, edo behintzat zentzekin ez dudala jokatu. Eta ibiltzen dira hor potroa jotzen gainera, joan daitezela Ayuso eta bar boskatzera. Eta punto, pelota ez bera joan bergara.
So why didn't Sigmar drive?
Where the bloody Uber's right, 5 or 4, it doesn't matter.
something natural about those skulls, guys.
Chopper.
To me, Winter! Much to do, much to do.
Itxarongo diogu. Beste aldetik bera.
Reckon the roof will hold?
A ver, vale. Hemendik izan behar da. Gauza da nondik.
Ocean!
Vale, hemendik da bai. Batzutan mapak ere ikatze behar dira. Ai, bau. Ez dut nahi egiten, baina, bueno. A ver, asko dira ihes egin. A ver, etxai asko dira ihes egin. Ihes egin jendea zertarako. Egi esateko...
I'm losing blood!
Let someone help you, wizard.
Let me tend these wounds.
Ihes egin behar badugu, ihes egin beharko dugu. Venga ya. Ni utzi bakean.
I'm sorry. Did you want it?
We can have the next Baron. Bound to be one. Help me! Fight on! To the last!
You're gravely wounded, Saltzman.
A ver. Penalti zertarako. A ber, alde egin behar dugun.
Righteousness!
Darlings, where did you go? Over there, plague ratties. You can't keep going.
Lasai. Galdu duzu izan dudan bronka bat. Gaztelaz egiten zuen zenbait jendearekin. Osea, nengoen azkenengo mapan, lehendaizik aldiz kokatzen nuela jainko horrekin, ez dut bidea topatu eta esaten, el nivel 35 para esta mierda. Eta ez dakit zer. Eta azkenean bidali ditut pikutara, esaten, osea, batzutan okerragoak dira gaztelean hitz egiten dutenak, giriak baino, bai, benetan. Ez nituen topatzen eta abar ni bilatzen bidea eta bot egin naute. Eta idatzi diet literalmente, iros a tomar por culo. A ber, gutxitan gertatu zait, baina gertatu izan zait. Eta gainera eurak esatzen dira gero girietaz eta bar. Ba, ez dakit zer pentsatu. Ni ezagutzen ditudan jendeak Warhammer gustatzen zaizkien pertsonen artean. Ezagutzen ditudanak behintzat oso jatorrak dira.
Hanging by a thread here.
You shall not die, Kruber! I forbid!
Ba hori, osea, ni ez daukat arazorik. Baina mapa bat ezagutzen ez badute edo zehozer, ba norbait gerturatzea laguntzeko edo zehozer.
I see Grimnir's journey in your strike club!
Gero, kesatzen da zenbait jende, ba egiten dituztelako jokoak pertsona batentzako, osea, multijugadoreak ez direnak. Ez dut esaten Hearthstone direla zu beste baten kontra, baizik eta Overwatch eta horrelakoak.
Incoming! Over there, throwing! No more dancing for that Slobodier!
Pikutara. Sartu naiz berriro, tokatu zait talde berdin eta joan egin nahi zaten, osea, joan zaitezte kantxarrak perratzera. Gainera azkenengo mapan. Eta idazten hori, iros a tomar por culo gelditu nahi superlasai. Bueno, bentsak hauek alde egin dute. A ver. Ea tipo honek jokatu nahi duen. Bueno, tipo edo tipa edo dena delakoa. Joango naiz ipotzarekin. Hori bai. Vale, ez ondo izan eta guzti hori mi esker pasatzearren. Ni ur zaleagoa naiz jarri baino.
We all have a purpose here. Just enjoy it.
The concrete!
Pues netan.
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Don't live, Rory! Let go of your thoughts! Oi! Someone pull me up!
Well done. The reward is yours.
Junkie, walking.
On to the next one. Help us, knight! Another dead butt runner! More! We need more! The furnace!
Down my shield, Rory!
That was a fight shot.
There's more room here! Right here! Give me a good shot! Hogger, I'm still standing!
¿Dónde Juan Vergara? Guazen lagunok, denok batera. Ia gure elmugora helduko naizen orain. Improvisazioetan ni oso ongi ere ez gara eramaten. Izan nahi du.
Over there! Playing ready!
Vale, bentsat inork ez daurken Nurgleren kolorea bere inguruan, hau da berdea. Estanda egingo balu pikutara joango litzatekelako.
A war fire!
Felt that one!
Eta zeratik ezin diot kedilean eman.
Healing draft for you.
Bueno, joango nahi zeuren gana. Hemen esaten den moduan guztiok elkarrekin zertarako. Goiti joan behar gara. Guazen gora.
Never hear you speak much about your first tutors, Aaron.
Old Rambler, you mean? He didn't teach me much. The Shadow Apprentice. But I had talent only for the blade.
Cracky gunner!
I'm doing a bit down here. If only you were as unstoppable as your blade.
Shield Racky! Foolish to face it head on.
Rattling's gone.
Gora joan behar gara.
You've talent, wizard. My sisters can teach you a thing or two, assuming they didn't kill you. You make a trip to the forest realm sound so good.
Don't be any worse than here.
I know you're daft, but are you also blind? Hey, here's where the action is.
Burua galdu zuen piztea.
My beard's tingling. There's something strange afoot.
Watch out! Arrows!
Guazen gora. Ai. Gora.
This looks like a ritual circle. Stay within it to open the path.
They weave disharmony in that ritual. We must stop them.
Vale, visual down. Nomor gara hemen barruan.
Why is the ground shaking?
Come on! I'll give you one for free!
erakutsi falta dela.
Someone drag me up, will ya? Don't want me to have all the fun, do you? Maybe we'll be ancestor gods one day. What would you be a god of?
What? Hiya, darling. A beautiful...
Guazen ba, guazen. Vale, gure helburura heldu gara. Hasieran gaude. Vale.
Keep moving, Mayflies. We're not destined to fall here. That one's dance is over.
Hala, guazen aurrera.
Ammunition, take what you need.
Over there.
Ah, bueno, sendatzeko sendagaia daukat. Jo, gerrapatu nao. Esustean. Eskerrak akabatu dudan. Hor.
Ungor archers, kill them!
Vale, horti izan beharko da gian.
Come on, up here.
Ipurdiko Zulon, ipurdiko Zulon.
Good shot, boy! What's the archers? You
eta hemen pia zertu dira.
Don't like that chance, good fellows. Hold firm, I promise you that. Ha! Leave you dead.
A ver. Denak ongi, bale. Norbait, gelditzen batatzean, ona da, apur bat itxarote eta guzti horik, ez guztia joan aurrera en plan a loko. Bueno.
This way! Shield won't save you, Ratty! You cannot hide! What a mess! Really? More than I look! You're going to slave your short arm!
Shoddy Shumanunga. Join me up. Somebody else. Right here! Give me a good shot! Go on! Hit me harder! Bugger! Can't kill a windstorm, can we? There's a slaughterer! Bit slovenly. He's down. That's a good dummy, Glory. Oh, got shield, Racky!
On to the next one! Everything hurts!
You're no good to us dead, Sienna.
Light bleach, stunner!
Still there's more. Don't mistake that sound.
By the wind! The monster feeds on Kruber! Stop it! Kill it! No! Ain't you clever?
Well done. The reward is yours.
Bit of a wound there, Sienna, but this should fix it.
So what drove you to choose that god? While we're talking.
I understand your interest,
Vale, o
but
sea,
my bond with Elliot is not your comprehension.
Whatever drives your
sendaga oso, erabili dut erabiltzearren oso ongi. Benetan oso ongi.
Down here, Glaikit mayflies. Sarkrak's down.
Ring the bell. Help will come.
Keep fighting, darlings. Let's hope Alicia's right.
Eske hor dago handi ezin daiteke.
Ah! No! Who's doing flame? Not sure there should be this much blood. Rest me!
No,
You felt better. It's a Minotaur.
Try again. Harder. trekking.
Minotaurra... Hil egin da.
Guess we're using the boat as a bridge then.
Ni gauza hauek ez duten ez ulertzen. Jartzen du argi eta garbi. Ihes egin ezazue eta gelditzen dira hor borrokan. Dena eginda dagoenean, bakarrik ihes egin behar denean. Joango laguntzera bestela.
Wondered what made this place as it is, darlings.
It was a war of the gods in which there were no victors.
I'd not heard that, Carillion.
A ver.
You must tell me about it sometime.
Vale. All Sheher mapa.
You can spend pilgrim's coins at this shrine to receive boons. Or maybe a miracle to benefit everyone. I won't judge much. Your coins are your own. Do with them as you think best.
Listo. Bueno, beste gauza gustatzen zaidana da. Bueno, elebiduna naizenez eta ingelera esaten dutena gutxo gara bere idazten dutenean ulertu dezakedanez. Bueno. Agien hori ez dakite. Bueno, ona. Zuten usten dute ez dutela, pentsatzen dutela batzuek. Ingelesez erderaz idazten dutelako eta besteak ez dugu ulertzen. Eta bueno, hori ere gerta daiteke euskararen kasuan. Bueno, orokorrean potroak asko ikutu behar dizkidate euskara zeo zer esateko. Eta batzutan ulertzen dute, bueno, ulertzen badute ongi. Adibidez osoak beleari purbeltz eta horrelakoak. Gure zaerazar mitikoak. Vale. Nurgle.
I see this one out if it's all the same.
Gauza bat da, kornesala izatea, beste gauza bat da...
A restless soul haunts this place.
mapak eskaintzen dituen gauzak, eta sanguijuelak eta horrelakoak izatea ba ez da gogoko ditugun gauza horietakoak. Eta azteko troll bat. Ongi.
You get ugly. I swear that troll reminds me of that.
Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Your wounds need tending, Marcus.
Bueno, armadura pur bat ere badaukate. Ipurdiko Zulon. Pasen Kerilian.
You're no good to us dead, Sienna. Right, friend here. Back the beastie down like you asked.
This looked easier when I saw Kruber do it.
There is no.
Ja, justo esan duzituanean Kerilena gertatu da, baina sentitzen dut. Bueno, egia esateko ez dut bater sentitzen.
Don't give up now, Troy! Stay for mercy!
Can you not sense that?
You have a doorway and a shield! Put them to use! Get behind me!
Fight assassin.
Now, that's how Cousin Oxley used to do it!
Lurran daudenean, takatekla eta pikutara. A ber. Ez dut nahi.
Quickly now, get it done.
Nondik gato. Bale, hortik. Apur bat derrazako hiltzen da, bai. Horrek ez du esan nahi erraza denik akabatza,
You've earned your reward. Don't forget it.
Go on! Hit me harder! Oh, that's good!
Don't stop.
Vale, guazen guztiok elkarrekin. Hor.
Yes. Sure it will collapse on us.
Hortik ez da, baina beno. Behintzak elkarrekin bagoaz eta ez bada asko aurreratzen. Gauza gertatzen dira, ez dut armarik aldatuko. Eizkoret eskuturakin ondo noa.
Ha-ha! You fight with a dwarf, don't you?
Got your runner, trades boots.
shield vermin, watch out!
A sucking rat's dead!
Uste dut hauek ongo dakitela orain, ihes egitea gauzarik zentzuzkoena dela. Edo hori pentsatzea gustatuko litzaidake behintzat.
Someone give me a real one! Me, Dory! We'll take the Kazaki dome together!
No hacen nada.
Oh, yeah.
Vale.
That's a good sign.
Maybe it's not so bad. Our work's not done, Sienna.
Ez,
My Poland,
ez da pentsatu ere.
spring. Bloody gorgeous.
A ber, etorri hona eta bukatzen dugu behintzat mapa hau. Bueno. Ni honekin aurrera. A ver. A ver. Benetan. Siena eta Kerilian oso gustorez daude. Gaina orain guri ez errurik bota, Zuek zabiltzate hor ihes egin behar denean borrokan eta abar. Ihes egin behar denean ihes egin eta borrokatu egin behar denean borrokatu.
It seems the eye of the Chaos Gods is elsewhere, at least for now.
Arrows? Oh, that's cheating.
then, Tory! Good shot, Tory!
Baina jokoak aukatu berak bakarrik, baina ben, no.
There's a watchtower. Let's hope there's not much else.
Are you sleepy? Find new friends. Meet new creatures, little one. Brilliant. I've never heard you use it.
Who needs a bomb?
There's a spawn. Don't worry, Lumberfits. We'll see you
Hemen
soon
izan dut lehen arazoa.
Let someone help you, is it?
Vale, eskuto gainera ez dut kentzen. Min egiten dian bakoitzean.
That foul soul. So I'd better walk.
Get some skill missing all of them like that. Right, you gonna throw the next one at you? Why not? You might just hit the bag of that. I'll block their path.
Someone kill that light stormer. Bring the other down, darling.
Burn the face off the other.
A ver,
Oh, aye, really is a win. Kill its master.
Esta pentsatu ere,
Oh, course he is.
esta pentsatu ere.
Good one, Dory. Light Stormer's dead.
Oh! Why did everything hurt?
Esta pentsatu ere, mutiko. Horrela ez, mutiko, horrela ez.
Charging!
Bestigor, bueno,
You hear that, lad?
bestigor handia da izan. A ver.
There! That's another! For Lillian! Stutterly down!
Pikutara.
Oh, they have the wreckage.
Vale, guazen. Vale, hau izan da lehen, topatu ez dudan mapa hori. Ongi, hau ez badakit, esaten dira zuen nola egiten den, eta punto pelota. Eta bukaera mapa, badiruden ez dira guztiak berdinak, bale, hori abisatu egin behar da. Hemen jendea poto jorran dago. Mesedes... Benetan, justo... Monstro hori izan behar zen, ezagun beste... Baten bat min egiteko modukoa.
Trust me with yours a moment. I want to show you something.
Vale. Egin nahi nuen oso txartu atera da.
Lord, I hope, Dorrington. Someone drag me up, will ya?
Smash that standard!
Surely you've a little more.
Now!
Come on there! On the ground! Oh, look. Try again. Harder.
You did it! Don't forget to claim your reward.
That standard's making them crazed. Destroy it! Praise the lady. Only one left.
Mayflies! The banner is destroyed! Just want to be your friend.
Right, so close.
Not as sneaky as you believe, runner. Flames.
Vale, Mendy.
Do me so
Vale, etorri Kerilia.
One less. Who needs catching up? Oh, found a woman fighting. I take out my frustrations where I can. So the uproar if I shoot one of you.
Where things are going, we could use one of those gods of yours, Witelgi. Any chance of that?
Those who remain would as gladly skewer a dwarf as a skaven.
There's no need for that.
And how would your vaunted Grimnir look upon my kind?
With mercy, if you show deference.
Deference! To a virgin
Vale, arma
On
arriba.
second thoughts, maybe it's best to leave ancestral gods out of this.
Shield strike! No sorrow for the dead Fogmaster. A gutter runner. Are you ready, Mayflies? Fogmaster done.
Vale, goazen gora.
Ah, fine, Flo. You've learned something from me after all. Get where you cast, wizard!
Rise, wizard. Let your fires kindle.
Batzen dugun bidartean, beste batzuk, egin behar dugu. Gauza bat.
Go on! Again! I can take it! I'll give you one for free!
Good show, Marcus. Good, well-built show. Definitely felt better.
I bet you wish you were at the Shade College now, Sienna.
Everything hurts.
You're no good to us dead, Sienna.
Itxaron, hau ez da... Ez ez da.
To proceed, look for a winch.
Oh, so the Cruti want to fight!
Ezin da
This is a
desafioa.
road to damnation. It is a poor way to meet our end.
Bizi iraun egin beharko dugu, horretan zehatuko gara.
Fly through. Fire. Seemingly. Still standing, stumbling up.
Look out! Trekkie! You're down there!
Strike them down.
Horribast!
Zenbat etxai beharko ditugu, ba?
Destroy that flank!
Estigo rapikutela.
They're raising a standard! Back here! Give me a... Not single! Neither is more effort! More! No rag on a stick to hide behind now, beasties! Bagoraki with shield!
There is no escape.
Dwarves worship the dark gods.
They don't. Not true dwarves. Most of them without teeth. In a land of spires and flame.
Makes you wonder what can make them turn evil
Vale,
like that.
bisites ondo
No
gaude,
body,
aguazen aurrera.
lack of good ale on tap.
Dago.
My bow reaches where your hit cannot, Strangler. Move quickly, Lumberfoots, unless you want burning to ash. Burn, fire rat!
Hasta mugimendua egin dugu esan digute benetan. Oso ondo. Vale. Hori ondo dago. Uneko gehi bizitza gehiago. Azken txampa. txikiena da eslanez, Mira, hori behintzat ez nekien. Zeu zer berria ikasi dut gaur, dagoeneko. Benetan berriro gauza hau. Bueno.
Medical supplies! Blood everywhere! And another one!
So you do know which end of that weapon to use, Kruber. I need a moment. Fire me!
Audacity and Agelmar!
Lots of storm beam. Move me, flies.
Vale.
Give me a read. You stink stronger than you try. We're almost there.
Crazy fire is never a match for the real thing. Blackfire on its way.
Un bergara, elkarrengatik nahiko urruti. Non sartu da orain.
It's done. And it's flames too.
Don't let that Rakizar know we're here. Trekkie, let me at him. Oh, you know your way around the thick spice salad.
Guazen.
Guess all those years in the battle wizard paid off.
Against Sienna, stop it!
A ver, mapa hau. Niretzat behintzat berria da.
Watch yourselves! I've got archers! Get on, make noise!
Get away from me, beastie! Away with you!
Come on! Ah, no, you daft! Are you also blind? Yes!
Vale. Están onda dago.
Oh! Can't a woman bind her wounds in peace?
See? That is a scroll of eternity.
Vale, guazen.
A vital clue.
Scroll of eternity? Doesn't look like much.
Ah, vale. Bueno, behintzat hasi dugu azkenean. Ja, ez dut ulertzen. Oh. Zergaitik, ez dut ulertzen. Ez benetan, batzutan jende ez dut ulertzen. Bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena. Begiratuko dutia norbait dagoen raida egiteko. Mi esket pasatu zareten guztioi eta hurrengoan gehiago.